Hi YouTube friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are going to talk about the law of cosines. Are you ready? So, join us! Hi YouTube friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and this is our class 5 of 5. This is our opening. Our channel is Mathematics Without Frontiers. As you already know, here we have classes of physics, mathematics, and English in two versions. One version in English and the other version in Portuguese, okay? Well, today we are going to talk about trigonometry in non-right triangles. Talking about the law of cosines. Let's see what it is. Well, it is the square of a side of a plane triangle equals to the sum of the squares of the remaining sides minus twice the product of those sides and the cosine of the angles between them. Okay, so let's suppose a non-right triangle down here. We have side A, we have side B, and side C. And there is an angle between sides B and C. This is angle A, all right? So this is the law of cosine. So let me get a laser pointer as usual. So A squared is B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of angle A. So this is the law of cosine, all right? Let's see how to solve problems applying this, okay? So now we have 4 questions to be solved, okay? Let's see them. Question number 1. Applying the law of cosines, find the length of side A. So this is a triangle, a blue one. Corner A, corner B, and corner C. Side A. Oh, we know about this side. This is 31 centimeters. The other side is 25 centimeters, okay? And the angle between them is 60 degrees, all right? So let's apply the formula. Well, so A squared is B squared plus C squared. Well, B may be 31 and C is 25, okay? And minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of the angle. That is 60 degrees in our situation now. So now let's replace the values. Pay attention. So B is 31, so 31 is squared. C is 25, so 25 is squared, sorry. B is 31, C is 25, and cosine A is cosine of 60 degrees, all right? Well, doing the substitutions, doing the replacements, I mean, so 31 is squared is 31 times 31, it is 961. 25 squared is 25 times 25, that is 625. Well, 2 times 31 times 25, and what's the cosine of 60 degrees? 0.5, okay? Now, let's multiply this, okay? And also we can sum up this, okay? So we have 961 plus 625 is 1,586 minus, well, 2 times 31 times 25 times 0.5 is 775. And now let's operate this subtraction here. So 1,586 minus 775 is 811. And now we can take the square root. Okay, so A is the square root of 811. And taking this square root, we have that A is 28.48 centimeters. Okay, so we have done question number 1. Let's see question number 2. Question 2 is, Alexander, Benjamin, and Carter are 3 childhood friends. The distance between Alexander's and Benjamin's houses is 40 kilometers, and Alexander's and Carter's houses is 30 kilometers. Determine the distance between Benjamin's and Carter's houses. Given cosine of 30 degrees is 0.866. So this is Alexander's house. This is, okay, Benjamin's house. And this is Carter's house, okay? According to their names, A, B, and C. So they form among them a non-right triangle. Well, A and B distance is 40 kilometers. A and C distance is 30 kilometers. So we want to find the distance between B and C, okay? And the angle A is 30 degrees. Well, so let's apply the cosine law, or the law of cosine. X squared is B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of A. Okay, so let's replace the values. So X squared is 30 squared plus 40 squared minus 2 times 30 times 40 times the cosine of 30 degrees. Replacing, doing some calculations, I have that 30 squared is 30 times 30. That is 900. 40 squared is 40 times 40. That is 1,600. And cosine of 30 degrees is 0.66. Okay, well, now I can do this sum and I can do these multiplications. Okay, so let's do. I have that X squared is, well, 900 plus 900 plus 1,600 is 2,500, and 2 times 30 times 40 times 0.866 is 2,078.4. Now, doing this subtraction, we have X squared is 421.6. And now, taking the square root, I have that X is 20.53 kilometers. All right. So the distance between Benjamin's house and Carter's house is 20. Let me see. 1 point. Oh, yes, 20.53 kilometers. Okay. So let's go ahead because question 2 is already done. Let's see question. Just one second. Let's see question 3. If in a map, the turn of Moju is at point A of the triangle below, at point B is the turn of Jacundai, and at point C, the turn of Castanhandeua. Find the distance between Jacundai and Castanhandeua in this map. Consider the distance in centimeters given cosine of 48 degrees, 0.669. The situation is A is the city of Moju, B is the city of Jacundai, and C is the city of Castanhandeua. Well, among them, I have a non-right triangle. Okay, according to the problem, AMC is 64 centimeters. Remember, this is the distance in the map. The distance between A and B is 52 centimeters, and I want to find the distance between B and C. Okay, there is an angle here. This angle is 48 degrees, probably. Let's check. Let's do the question. Well, so I have that X squared is B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of A. So replacing the values, I have that X squared is 64 squared plus 52 squared minus 2 times 64 times 52 times cosine of 48 degrees. Now, well, 64 squared is 64 times 64. That is 4,096. And 52 squared is 52 times 52. It is 2,704. Okay? And cosine of 48 degrees is 0.669. So, doing this sum, okay, I have 6,800. And doing these multiplications, I have 4,452.86. And doing this subtraction, we have 2,347.14. And now taking the square root, I have that x is 48.45 centimeters. So this is the distance between the cities of Jakundaí and Castanhandeua in the map. All right? So finally, let's go to question 4. Okay, let's see question number 4. Two hungry rabbits, one at point A and the other at point B, 5 meters far from each other, wish to eat a carrot placed at point C, according to the figure below. Considering they employ the same velocity, which of them will get the carrot first? So consider the cosine of 56 degrees is 0.559. Well, the situation is, so this is rabbit A, the other rabbit is rabbit B, and the carrot is at point C. Okay, so they form among them a non-right triangle. And the distance between the rabbit A and the rabbit B is 5 meters. The distance between the rabbit B and the carrot is 9 meters, okay? So we want to find the distance between A and C. Okay, oh, the angle is 56 degrees. Well, so applying the law of cosines, we have that. A squared is B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of A. Now, replacing the values, I have that B is 9 and C is 5. So B squared is 9 squared. 5 squared is C squared. Well, 9 squared is 9 times 9. And 5 squared is 5 times 5. And the cosine of 56 degrees is 0.559. So doing this, I have 9 squared is 81, 5 squared is 25, and the cosine of 56 is 0.559. All right, now I'm going to do this sum, and I'm going to do these multiplications. Okay, so x squared is 106 minus 50.31. Well, doing this subtraction, we have that x squared is 55.69. Taking the square root, we have that x is 7.46 meters. Well, pay attention. The two rabbits have the same velocity, all right? So the one that is nearer the cabbage, okay, the carrot is going to eat it first, okay? So the distance between B and the carrot is 9 meters. And the distance between A and C is x, which is 7.46. So obviously, the rabbit in point A, at point A, is going to get the carrot first. Okay, so rabbit A at point A is going to get the carrot first. All right. So thank you very much, my friend, for watching our video until the end. All right, don't forget to subscribe our channel, to share this video with everyone you love, all right? And also give us your like. It is very, very, very much important for us. Thank you very much. Have an excellent week. This is teacher Regy Safadão. Bye-bye.
That's all, folks.